Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker on iPad Pro M5. So I'm gonna show you how to do it with the default Safari browser on your device, but if you have any other browser, that's pretty much the same thing. All you have to do is open settings, then on the sidebar scroll down to the apps menu. Once you open it, scroll down to your browser, in my case Safari, so I'm gonna have to go to the S letter, then tap on Safari, and after that scroll down to the block pop-ups option and switch it off, and that's it. Now all the pop-ups will appear on your devices, in your device's browser. So that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.